Good morning, students. As you all know that yesterday we have completed English language lesson 4, lesson 5. So today we are going to discuss lesson 4 of English literature course book. This is the new chapter Eidgah. On the morning of Eid, the village buzzes excitedly. Everyone is up early to go to the Eidgah mosque in town. Means these three children you are looking in this, they are going to celebrate Eid to the Eidgah mosque. Okay, so they are very excited. These three children are you are seeing in the picture. They are very excited because they are going to Eidgah to spend their day. The boys are most excited. At last Eid has come. These three boys are discussing that at last Eid has come, so we are very excited to enjoy it. Their pockets bulge with coins. They keep counting and recounting it. Means now they have some money, some coins in their pockets, so they are counting it and recounting it. As you all, when you get money from someone, you also excited to spend it and you recount it again and again. So these three children are doing the same. Mahmood has 12 pies. Mohsin has 15. Out of this hoard, they will buy toys, sweets and more. These three children, one is Mohsin and another is Mahmood and the third one is Hamid. So Mohsin has 15 coins and Mahmood has 12 coins, by which they are going to buy some toys, sweets and more things. The happiest boy is Hamid. In the mid, the small boy is standing. His name is Hamid. He is most happiest boy. He is only 4, poorly dressed and famished looking. Hamid is only 4 years old. Poorly dressed means due to scarcity of money, he is poorly dressed and famished looking. Famished means it's looking like he is very hungry at this time. His father and mother died last year. Hamid's parents are no more. They had died last year. Now Hamid sleeps in Granny Amina's lap. Due to mother and father is not there, they were died, so now Hamid live with Granny Amina, Granny Dadi. Amina's lap. She tells him that his father and mother have gone to Allah and will return with silver and gifts. At this time, she tells, means Granny Amina tells to Hamid that his father and mother have gone to Allah, the God, and will return with silver and gifts. So they gone there. This makes Hamid happy. That's why Hamid is very happy. Hamid has no shoes. His cap is soiled and tattered. Hamid has no shoes in his legs. And his cap is also soiled and tattered, means it is spoiled, and tattered matlab fata hua. Its gold thread has turned black. The golden color wires which are placed in his cap are now turned black. Nevertheless, Hamid is happy. But Hamid will always happy. Poor Amina sheds bitter tears. Now, Granny Amina shed bitter tears means वो रो रही थी. If only her son were there, it would be a very different Eid. और वो ये सोचने लगी कि अगर उनका बेटा जिंदा होता तो उनकी ईद आज दूसरे तरीके से मनती. Hamid would not have to go to the fair on his own. हामिद को अकेले ही मेले में नहीं जाना पड़ता. What if he gets lost? और क्या होगा अगर वो खो जाए तो. हामिद जो ये बच्चा है 4 साल का. Hamid comforts her granny. Don't worry, I will return. Now Hamid is giving comfort to granny, his ग्रैंडमा that don't worry grandmother, I will return. मैं लौट कर आऊँगा. The villagers leave together. Now villagers are going to the fair together. With the boy is Hamid. They are taking Hamid with them. They run on ahead of the elders and wait for them under a tree. Means the small children are running to the fair. After some times they stay under a tree and wait for the elders. Why are the oldies so slow? And they are saying that why oldies are so slow. At long last the Eidgah comes in view and the villagers join in with the prayers. उसके बाद एंड में जाकर के ईदगाह उनको दिख जाती है और सारे विलेजर्स वहाँ जाकर प्रेयर करने लगते हैं. Come to the next page. When the prayers are over, the crowd descends on the fair. और जैसे ही प्रेयर समाप्त होती है सारे लोग फेयर की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं, मेले की तरफ. There's a merry-go-round for 1 piece a go. महमूद मोहसिन and other boys climb on. महमूद मोहसिन ये मैरी गो राउंड वो है झूला है जिस पर सारे बच्चे जाकर के चढ़ जाते हैं. लेकिन हामिद होल्ड्स his 3 pies and watches. He couldn't part with a third of his treasure for this. हामिद यहाँ अकेला खड़ा होकर सोचने लगता है कि मैं इसके लिए पे नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मेरे पास सिर्फ 3 ही पाइस हैं जिनको मुझे खर्च करना है. Now it is time for the toys. There is a row of stalls selling toys, milkmaids, kings and ministers, water carriers, washerwomen and holy men. Splendid. Mahmoud buys a policeman in khaki with a gun. Mohsin gets the water carrier. Now it is time for the toys. Now they are moving to the toy shop and there is a row of stalls selling toys. There are many rows. They are selling the toys like milkmaids, kings, ministers, water carriers, washerwomen are and holy men are there in the toy shop. Splendid. Mahmood buys a policeman in khaki with a gun. महमूद आगे जाकर के एक पुलिसमैन जो खाकी में है उसको खरीद लेता है विद अ गन. मोहसिन गेट्स द वाटर कैरियर और मोहसिन खरीदता है एक वाटर कैरियर. ईच टॉय कॉस्ट 2 pies. हर खिलौने का दाम 2 पैसे था. हामिद ओनली हैज़ 3 pies. हामिद के पास सिर्फ 3 ही पैसे थे. नॉट एनफ फॉर एक्सपेंसिव टॉयज. उसके पास पैसे ही नहीं थे कि वो उसको खरीद सके. एंड इफ़ अ ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर फेल ऑन देम द पेंट वुड रन. उसके दिमाग में आता है कि अगर थोड़ा सा पानी इस पर गिर गया तो वो सारा रंग निकल जाएगा. टॉयज लाइक दीज वुड बी नो यूज टू हिम. वो सोचने लगता है खड़ा होकर के 4 साल का बच्चा कि ये टॉयज उसके किसी काम के नहीं हैं. मोहसिन सेज माई वाटर कैरियर विल स्प्रिंकल वाटर एवरी डे. मोहसिन बताता है कि मेरा वाटर कैरियर जो है वो खिलौने जो पानी थोड़ी देर के लिए रोके रहते हैं अपने अंदर, दैट आर वाटर कैरियर्स, दे स्प्रिंकल वाटर एवरी डे. ओके. महमूद सेज माई पुलिसमैन विल गार्ड माई हाउस. Mahmoud is giving his explanation that his policeman guard his house. If a thief comes, he will shoot him. If any thief will come, he will shoot him. Hamid knows their toys are made of clay. One fall and they will break. हामिद सोचता है कि अब वो खिलौने किसी काम के नहीं हैं, अगर वो गिर जाएं तो वो टूट जाएंगे. बट ही विशेज ही वुड होल्ड देम. लेकिन वो उनको लेने के बारे में सोच तो रहा था. आफ्टर द टॉयज इट इज़ स्वीट. सम बाय सीसम कैंडी, अदर गुलाब जामुन्स. दे मंच हैप्पीली. टॉयज़ के बाद आगे दुकान थी मिठाई की. कुछ बच्चों ने सीसम कैंडी, तिल की बर्फ़ी या फिर गुलाब जामुन ये सब खरीद कर हैप्पीली वो लोग खाने लगे. ओनली हामिद इज़ लेफ्ट आउट. हामिद से बचा था जिसको कुछ भी नहीं मिला. नेक्स्ट देयर आर अ फ्यू हार्डवेयर स्टोर्स. और कहीं कहीं पर हार्डवेयर की दुकानें भी थी. हामिद स्टॉप्स बाय अ पाइल ऑफ टोंग्स. हामिद रुक जाता है जैसे ही वो देखता है एक दुकान पर चिमटे बिक रहे हैं. टोंग्स आर चिमटा जिससे मम्मी रोटी सेकती हैं. Each time his granny bakes chapatis, the iron plate burns her hands. और जब उनकी दादी माँ रोटी सेकती हैं तो उनका आयरन प्लेट से उनका हाथ जल जाता है. Now today onward I am only explaining up to this. So what you all have to do, you all have to find out the hard words and their meanings and mention it into the book only. No need to write it into the copy. And your homework is to go through this chapter, these 2 pages. If there is any problem, you can ask to me in my class. Okay, okay beta, thank you.